So what's up people? I think everyone are doing good. Okay, let's jump into the video. So in this video I'm teaching you about how do you use a tree command. So tree command is basically used to display hierarchical structure of directories or their subdirectories in a tree like format. Let me give an example. So if you need to print all the directories in the current directory, then you need to use tree, then -d, then you need to specify current directory. So I'm using dot. That will be the current directory. If I press enter, you can see this directories is in the tree like format. Okay, let me show you one magic. If I go back, if I go little back, you can see there is many folders, sorry, many files, right? If I do tree and -d and in the current directory, I think you need to stop this because it will not stop if I press enter. So if I press enter, it will now stop because there is many folders and there is many subdirectories, and it will be going on still it will go to the end. So see, it will take more time, I guess, because there is many files, because I am in the root directory contains many folders, right? If you are a Linux users, then you know it. There is a bin, there is a etc, then there is a var, then there is a home directory, then there is a many directories. Like if you do in that directory, then it will take maybe 15 to 30, not 15 to 30, it will take more time to display all these subdirectories and directories. So it is taking more time. Okay, so let me wait 3 to 5 seconds. If it is still going, then I'll stop it because there is many commands I need to do. Okay, so let's see. For 1 2, okay, so yeah, we came to the end. So this is how we can use tree -d to specify all the directories. So finally we ended up somewhere. Okay, see, I don't need to waste your time showing all the directories. Okay, I'll go back to my home directory, then I'll go back to my name. That will be parrot. Then I'll use these mini directories. Okay, I don't need that many directory to display and show it. Okay, so the next thing is that when you are displaying the directories, let's say that you need to limit the display depth to specific numbers, then you need to use -l, and you need to say 2, then current directory. So it will limit it to 2, limit the display depth to number of 2. That's all. Okay, let's jump into next one. Let's say there is a hidden folder also. Let's say there is a hidden folder, I need to display that. So you need to use -a, that will specify all the commands in tree like structure. See, these files were not there actually. These files were not there, and these files were also not there. Now it is printing. See, these two files were not there actually when we were printing ls. So these are the hidden files in this current directory. Okay, let's say that you need to exclude some files. Let's say tree capital letter I, then star.log. So we need to exclude this the file which is starting with anything but which is ending with a .log in the current directory. So you can see that you can see that there is no file which is ending with a .log. Okay, let's say that you need to display indentation in tree output. You need to use small I, then I will specify a current directory. Then you can see the indentation. Yeah, the indentation, need to remove the indentation, so there is no space. So you can see there is a space here. Okay, so there is a space here, but if I use -i, that will remove the indentation. Okay, that looks cool. Okay, let's say that you need to set the maximum display depth. Let's say tree -l and 3 and current directory. So this will what display in a maximum display depth, like it will limit it, something like that. Okay, let's say that you need to prune empty directory. You need to prune means it should you can't expect empty directories. So what you need to do, you need to specify empty empty and star then current directory. So you can't then you can see that there is no empty directories. Okay, let's say that you need to display the disk space disk space while you are structuring. So you need to use -du then the current directory. Then you can see all the disk spaces. It is having 2094 2094 2068. So it will also display the disk. This is a disk usage also. You can see that it is 2096 what KB is used, something like that. So disk usage. Okay, this is how you can use to display all the disk usage. Okay, let's say that you need to set the character set for output. You need to set the character set for output. So what you do, tree hyphen chr character and set is equal to utf -8 then the current directory. So this will basically 11 directories and 33 files. Okay, this will basically set the character in utf-s. That will be in English, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so let's say that you need to print the files or directory name without the directory structure. So you can use -s than the current directory. So this will basically print all the files, not the directory names, I guess, not the directory structure, not the directory names, the directory structure. Okay, so you can go for man page and you can check. There is many arguments that you can use it. Okay, so you can also see the what you can also see the VRS version, that is 180. Okay, so you can also see these people have written this code for a tree. Okay, that is all up guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.